At the end of this video, you will know the difference between a breaker block and a mitigation block. Now, you can follow this channel for more forex related videos, and you can click on the link on my profile to join my free signal group. So we talked about the breaker block in our previous video. We'll go over it in this video, and then we talk about the mitigation block. So we said a breaker block is when price has created a high here and then drop to create a low, create a high, and then breaks the recent created low. So first, price will create a high, create a low, breaks the previous high. Take note, it will break the previous high and then break the current created low. So when price return to this level here, or the low here, becomes the what? The breaker block. So when price return to this level, we expect price to go lower. Take note, price will create a high, create a low, breaks the previous created high here, and then breaks the current created low. So the low here becomes the what? The breaker block. So let's show some example on the chart. So let me take this off. In this price action here, price created a high here and then created a low here. Price breaks or clear the buy stop above the previous high here and then breaks down the current created low. So the low here becomes the breaker block. So when price return to this level, expect a sell movement. And as you can see, please check the low of this candle. Check this price here. It is 1.07727, and let's check the high of this candle here. You have the price here. It is 1.0028. This is 0728, so it went up 0.1 pip to this level here and then drops. And most of the time, the breaker block is very strong when we have a fair value gap around it. And as you can see, we had a fair value gap around the breaker block, and this make the breaker block very strong. So take note, for a breaker block, the high of the previous candle will be taken before it breaks the recent created low. So price will create a high, create a low, breaks the previous created high, and then breaks the recent created low. So the low here becomes the breaker block. So you will draw that in time. When price return to that level, you can expect a reaction from that level. Now let's talk about a mitigation block. So for a mitigation block, this is what price will do. First, price will create a high, then drops and create a low, and then drops, goes up, and then breaks the recent created low. As you can see, the high of this candle wasn't taken. For a breaker block, the high will be taken, but for a mitigation block, the high won't be taken. So this is the difference between a breaker and mitigation. So this low here becomes the mitigation block. So when the high of the previous candle is taken, then this low becomes a breaker block. But if they don't take the high, or they don't reach for the buy stops above the previous high, this level here or this low here become the mitigation block, and you can expect a reaction from this level when price return to the level here, or the return to the low of the candle here. So let me show you some real example on the chart. So price created a high here, created a low here, price traded up, but they couldn't reach for the buy stops above this the swing high here, and then it breaks the low. So This low here becomes the mitigation block. You can expect price movement when price return to that level. And as you can see, they traded up here and sold off. They reacted off the breaker block here, and you had this fair value gap around the breaker block too, as you can see. So this makes it highly breaker block. Sorry, a mitigation block. This is a mitigation block. Sorry guys. For a mitigation block, the high of the previous candle won't be taken. So they created a high here, move down, created a low, move up, but they didn't reach for the buy stops above the previous high and then breaks. So this level becomes the mitigation block. So this is all about the mitigation and a breaker block. So if you want to learn more about ICT content or SMC content, I'll be dropping videos on them. So follow this channel for more forex related video, as I said, and you can use the link on my profile to join my free signal group. I have a simplified forex course for beginners and advanced traders too. You can ask me on Telegram at amrich cyber, or you can DM me for the course. Thank you guys for watching.